That was Bharat Darshan, and the last folk piece was, of course, the Bhangra from Bengal. Arts or music teaches us that nothing in life can be done alone. And it's our team that creates us. It's the people who hold our hands and support us and are with us, who wish well for us, who help us, who advise us, the ones that make us who we are. And that's a trait that young children learn and imbibe when they get involved in an artistic platform like arts or music or dance. And that's what the corporate world today is trying to do, get in arts into the work life of people. It's a therapy, because music scientifically heals your mind and body. It also imbibes a lot of interpersonal skills and teamwork and builds relationships, builds trust, and can also help people to work in a risk environment because you've built strong relationships through the medium of art. Amaya Naik on the keyboards, who's supporting me today, has come from Mumbai with me. Amaya is a percussionist, but he's basically a music composer and has composed music for one of a very famous Marathi film. He's a typical Mumbai boy, lives near, right in the tip of Mumbai. And of course, he is originally from Goa, and we had not initially planned to be part of. Amaya wasn't planning to be part of this program because I was supposed to have played with a group of musicians in Goa. But when both of them heard that I was coming, they were so kind, and they said, "Okay, we're going to reschedule our assignments, and we're going to come and perform here, because Amaya loves Goa and he's not going back with me tomorrow to Bombay, he's going to stay on." So that's Amaya Naik, who is on the keyboards, composes music from Mumbai. And we self-taught mostly. But on my right is Bhushan Parchure, and when you've heard him play, you know that he's learned from the Gharana. Gharana are the traditional families of music which teach the craft through the art of Guru Shishya Parampara, through tradition, through apprenticeship, without nothing written down, but the mentor and the mentee together. And that's that's Bhushan Parchure, who's the student of the god of Indian tabla, Ustad Allah Rakha. We do have two more members in our team who are not here today, maybe another time, who does guitar and some other drums. But Bhushan and Amaya, we've been playing together for many years. And this piece I'm dedicating to some of the Scottish musicians who are currently in Bombay, and we're playing together through the week. What I learned in Scotland, a folk song called Dark Island, which has got similarities with a rag called Rag Durga, a very short piece, a Scottish song blended with an Indian melody. And we're going to move to the east for sure, because Yvonne invited me with a special request of doing, presenting some folk numbers from Assam from the east, because the festival's theme is East meets West. And so that's going to be the next section. But now a short piece on Scottish folk with Indian raga.